Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to draw a cute and adorable parrot with colorful feathers that repeats our conversations and makes us laugh. If you are ready, let's start. I start by drawing the eyes, then I draw a line for the head that wraps around it. Let's not forget to add triangle-shaped lines to the headlines. These lines represent the feathers of our parrot. For the lower feathers of the head, let's draw like connecting semicircles. Let's draw carefully and slowly when drawing his beak. Draw two long curved lines for his body. When I draw its colorful wings, I draw the transverse lines like connecting semicircles. I get the vertical part of the wing by drawing the letters C on top of each other. We draw feathers inside the wing as we drew on the bottom. Draw the tips of the wing and add vertical lines inside. I use long lines to draw the tail and add them to the wing. How do you think it happened? I especially loved his hat. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and like the video. Thanks for watching. If there are drawings you want, you can write them in the comments. Goodbye.